The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Hey, what's up? It's Mike, Netter Gold. So, I want to talk to you real quick about Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And I don't know if you know this or not, but it has some positives and some negatives when it comes to usage every day in its raw form. So, if that interests you, stand by. Hang out for a second and listen. If it doesn't, then that's cool. We can go you wait to the next video or whatever. Let's do that. Okay, so Jamaican Black Castor Oil is something I love to use. I use it in a Nightwolf beard oil. It's one of my favorites to use just because of the... Alright, so if you haven't seen the video, I'm going to link it up right here if I remember to do so. But Jamaican Black Castor Oil, castor beans that are roasted. And it's completely different from regular castor oil, which goes through a nice cold press process, right? So the roasting process increases the pH level because of the minerals that are in the oil. But now there's one big downside when it comes to that. It has a huge pungent smell. Now I personally love the smell of anything roasted. I just love the way it smells. But a lot of people do not enjoy it. So I'll be using Jamaican Black Castor Oil as itself, nothing else, no mix with anything in my hair for about 2 or 3 days now. Now, here's the thing. Jamaican Black Castor Oil is extremely thick as well. It's very thick, it's robust, and it smells... Like, I love the smell of tobacco. I don't like the smell of cigarettes and cigars, but I love the smell of just like tobacco. It's a very nice smell, and it has that kind of aroma to me. But I will say, if you leave it in your hair and you use it, it doesn't wash out easily, or it doesn't rinse out easily. You gotta completely wash it with one of our soaps or something that strips away those oils. So if you're not a fan of that smell and that aroma, or your partner is not, or the person you're flirting with isn't, you're not gonna enjoy it because you will smell it on your pillow or in your bonnet if it comes off in the middle of the night. So you got to be careful with that one. Now, like I said, it is thick. It's thicker than my wife. Now, the thickness here is what I love about it, right? But a lot of people may not like. The thickness, once it's on the hair, it really locks in that moisture, right? So there is nowhere else to go. But it can stay in your hair, right, for a while. Like this, I don't know if you all can see it. Let me see if I can show you on my finger there. Hold up. Work on my focus skills. There we go. I don't know if y'all can see it. Come a little closer, I guess. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But the thing about the thickness is it's a lot of thickness. And that amount of thickness doesn't almost got the focus back. There we go. That amount of thickness does not go away easily. Okay, so I rinsed my hair out yesterday before bed just to see if it would come out, and it was just thick. My hands were covered in the stuff, and I didn't put a lot on. 1 second. Forgot to put it on silent. Sorry about that. But it's super thick. Now, here's the downside of that. It doesn't rinse out easily. And because it's so thick and so prominent that if you're out and about and it's a dusty day or something, you can have dirt in your hair and it will stay there for a while to hold on to rocks and dirt and stuff like that. So you need to be careful with that. But of course, the huge plus side is it's so thick, so strong that it holds in that moisture. So I wanted to take this second and let you know those are the two downsides, and yeah, those are downsides. And I guess also the upsides. It all depends on how you look at it. Do you like your Midnight Rose 1/16 empty, or do you consider this 1/16 full? It's up to you. But at the end of the day, it depends on how you enjoy it. I like the smell of it and I like the thickness of it, so I'm okay with it. But if you do not like the smell of anything that smells, like I said, robust, tobacco-y kind of aroma, you're not going to enjoy the smell of raw. This is raw, of course, raw Jamaican Black Castor Oil. You also will not like the way it feels because of the thickness. Some people don't like that thickness. I love the thickness, again, my wife, and it's okay for me. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about Jamaican Black Castor Oil? Are you a fan of it? Are you not a fan of it? Do you like to mix yours up? Like I said, we mix ours up here for the Nightwolf Beard Oil, just because the combination with other oils makes this, it's light, it's powerful, and it's very good at promoting hair growth. Jamaican Black Castor Oil also is very, well, it's not light, obviously, it's very thick. It'll weigh your hair down. Let's put it that way. It'll definitely weigh your hair down. And if you're trying to use it to promote hair growth, you got to be very careful with it, because that weighing of your hair down can cause some negative effects. And as you're trying to grow your hair has been weighed down, collects dirt, collects grime, and all this other stuff, and it just doesn't look good or smell good. Okay, so I'm tired of talking because I'm starting to smell my own breath from this back, and it's not smelling good. All right, see ya.